A few home remedies to get rid of jaundice. If you suffer from jaundice, there are some home remedies that can be used to get rid of the disease easily. A few home remedies can reduce the severity of jaundice. Jaundice is also called jaundice, or pilia. The human liver plays a vital role in the body's ability to digest food and provide all the necessary nutrients, while the liver regulates the levels of proteins, fats and sugars in the blood, and the toxins that accumulate in the body. It works to eliminate, but there are many diseases of the liver, including hepatitis A, B, C, D and jaundice, etc. It is very important to avoid all these diseases to stay healthy. Doctors also recommend avoiding foods that can be harmful to the liver, in order not to damage the liver, but if you suffer from jaundice, you can get rid of the disease easily, with a few home remedies. Can be obtained. 1. Sugarcane. Sugarcane is good for digestion, and it improves liver function, while drinking a glass of sugarcane juice daily can help jaundice patients get rid of the disease faster. 2. Tomato juice. Tomatoes also help make blood in humans and contain leucine, which reduces the risk of liver disease. A glass of tomato juice mixed with salt and pepper in the morning can cure jaundice quickly. 3. Radish leaves. The use of radish leaves can also be helpful in getting rid of jaundice, as these leaves contain compounds that improve the motility of the intestines. Drinking a glass of radish leaf juice daily can cure jaundice quickly. 4. Lime. Lemons have anti-inflammatory properties that are beneficial in getting rid of jaundice, and it protects the liver cells from any damage, so using lemons is the easiest home remedy to get rid of jaundice. 5. Papaya leaves. Make a paste of papaya leaves, and use it continuously for 2 weeks to get rid of diseases like jaundice easily. 6. Spinach. Spinach is rich in iron, so spinach juice can be an effective home remedy for jaundice, while the use of carrots with spinach leaves will also be very useful. 7. Buttermilk. Buttermilk does not make any kind of fat in the body, so it is also an excellent drink for digestion. Adding a pinch of salt and pepper and cumin to it, and drinking it daily can cure jaundice. After watching my video, please like, share my video and subscribe my channel for new video notification. Press the bell icon.